Hello everyone. So in this part 6 of the GetResponse website building tutorial series, I will share with you how to create a blog post in your website. Okay, then we will link this button to your latest blog post. Okay, so what you can do first is to click on Manage Pages over here on the right side and scroll down and click on this Add Page. So we are going to add a new page. So there's a lot of templates over here that you can select as the base template and then you can edit from there. At the moment of recording, there's no blog post template, so we'll use this about template to create our blog post. Okay, so it asks for a page title, so I will type in the page blog post title here. Okay, so this is the blog post title. I will also type the blog post title over here. Okay, you can see that it is a little bit small, so I'm going to change the font setting by selecting the title and go over to the type over here and select heading 2. So this is the heading 2. Okay. Okay, so now I will start to type in the blog content. I'll pause the video and type in the content and I'll resume in a minute. Okay, so I've typed in the content. You can copy and paste your content from your notepad as well, especially if you have write your content elsewhere. Okay, so what I've done is that these are the normal text, and I also make sure that the subheader is formatted to heading 3 and also underline for readability. So this is some of the subheader. Okay, then end of the blog post. So for the call to action, I will delete this section because I don't need it. Okay, for the image, I also don't need the image here. I also don't need this section 3 over here. Okay, so this is just the blog post itself. And what I will need is perhaps I will add in the image. You can also add in a video if you want to. So for me, I will add in an image for blog post. I would say that for your blog post, at least add in one image for your blog post. Okay, so I can search for anything over here. I'll search for writing since my blog post is relevant to writing. Okay, so I'll click use. Just select any image from the free GetResponse images. You do not need to pay for this image, so it is very good because you just need to pay for GetResponse subscription and it can be used in your website, the images. Okay, so once the images has loaded in your blog post, you can just reduce the size a little bit if you want to. Okay, so this completes the blog post over here. And I can just save the blog post. And over here, you see that they automatically appear in the header. But if you do not want it to appear, you can go to Manage Pages over here, and then you can click Hide. So you will hide from the navigation. Okay, so now let us go back to our home page, and I would like to link this button to my latest blog post. So I will change the button text to read latest post. Where should your button link to? I will link it to current website. As for the page, I will select this page that I've just created. Okay. And then I will just close this and save, and that's it. So it's done. So now you know how you can create blog posts and link it from your homepage in the GetResponse website. I'll see you in the next video for other settings for your GetResponse website. See you then.